Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you forgot your Roblox password and want to see it on your PC, here is what you need to know first. You can only see your password if you previously saved it in your browser. If you never saved it, you will not be able to view it. Let me show you how to check. First, open the browser where you usually log into Roblox. For example, open Google Chrome. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Autofill and Passwords. Now click on Google Password Manager. Here you will see a list of saved websites. Use the search bar and type Roblox. Click on the Roblox result. Click on the eye icon to reveal the saved password. If you do not see Roblox listed there, that means your password was never saved. In that case, go to the Roblox login page and click on Forgot Password to reset it. Personally, I do not save my Roblox password on shared laptops. I use Quick Sign-In or QR login for better security. That is how you check your Roblox password on PC. If this helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more real Roblox solutions.